Hello there, welcome to another Brickright video. Today, if you're a DIYer or you're somebody that's working on your own garden and you put a patio in and you're looking to put a base in, this is the questions you're going to need to be answered. So, you can see we've got the base in. So in terms of digging the base out, very quickly, obviously we've done that. So if you come to here, this is where we dug out to. So you can see that the base thickness there is about 100 millimeters. Okay. Now there's a couple of rules you need to take in before you do yours. One of them is D.P.C, damp-proof course on the house. Okay. So this here is damp-proof course. Can you come closer? Right, you can just about see that little bit of plastic there, like where my finger is. That's damp-proof course on the house. So in general, the golden rule is you want to be two courses below damp-proof course for your finished level of your patio or your paving system. So we've done that there, right? So when you dig your base out, you need to find out where your level is, where your finished level is, and then you need to dig 150 millimeters or 6 inches below the level of the finished level. Okay, right, so we've got that. So you dig all that area out, get rid of it, you put it in skips, you do whatever you want with it, right? Then what you want to do is MOT type 1. So this, what I'm stood on, is MOT type 1. You get stones that size, around about 40 mil, and then you get a mixture of stone dust with it as well. And when you whack it, that binds together to form a completely solid surface. So if you use MOT type 1 or you use recycled MOT type 1 from the recycled place, they'll tell you exactly what that is. And then what you're looking for is your 100 mil. Now, top tip for you if you're a DIY and you haven't done this before, right? If you measure down 50 millimeters from your finished level, you've used then 100 millimeters of your 150 millimeters up to your finished level. Okay, so 100 millimeters, put 100 millimeters in. Now you may ask, well, how do I do the fall, Justin? How do I sort the falls out? So what we do is this. So what you want to be doing, right, quite simply, everyone says, what fall shall I use? You can use 1 in 80, 1 in 60 for porcelain, right? That's quite difficult and complicated to work out. If you just go, so that's level. If you turn your level down, so you want this one flowing away from the house. So if you just do it, so that spirit level bubble is on the line, then what you'll get is this side of the level, this side of the spirit level is higher than this side, so your fall is going exaggerated like that, right? So like I say, just on the bubble there, flowing that way is sufficient enough for your paving, for setting up your levels for your falls. Okay, so how do you get that in your base? What I would do as a top tip, what you can do, if you cut some pieces of roofing batten, so 2x1 roofing batten, and you put a piece of roofing batten in the ground here to the 100 millimeters for your base, and then you use your level and you go this way and you put another one here and you get that on there so that it's a turn of a bubble and it's on the line like I said, and you keep transferring that level to the end here. You put another one in, so you've got 3 in, and you've got all that then, as I said, on that fall. So that then gets your fall for you. What you need to do then is you've got 3, 1, 2, 3. What you need to do then is put another one here, level across, level. So you need that one level from left to right. Put another one here, level from left to right. Another one here, level from left to right. And you put another one and another one and another one. So you got 3 rows of pegs in the ground. All you need to do then is put your paving to the top of those pegs all the way around. You have a perfect level for your base for your paving. What you need to do then is whack it. So if you turn around, Frey, you've got this machine here, look, which is a heavy duty whacker plate. It must be as heavy duty as you possibly can get, because they do the trench ones which are very thin, and I could do that and it's better than them. So heavy duty whacker plate, and then what you're doing is you're looking to whack that way, up and down, left to right, and you're looking to whack this way, the other way, and you're looking to whack diagonally. Now you need to do that a couple of times. Once you've done that, try not to whack your pegs though, okay, at this point. Try not to whack your pegs. What you'll do is you'll find the paving base will then sink, because obviously you're whacking it, you're tapping it down. Then you just need to replenish the areas that have sinked back to the top of your pegs that you haven't whacked, okay? Don't whack your pegs. Once you've got it to the top of the pegs again, whack it again. Once you're happy that it's whacked and it's to the top of the pegs, you can pull all your pegs out, fill it with T, final whack, and you're good to go. You're good to go to lay your paving. So hopefully that's helped you. If it have, leave it in the comments below, and if you like the videos, please like, subscribe. And we're doing a wall on the next one. Now we're going to be going through it with tanking, drainage, and it's a small one. So again, if you're a DIYer, tune in next time. See you then. Cheers.